Okay, children, now we are going to see about the third standard social, first lesson family, the book exercise evaluation, page number 130. The first one is the choose the correct answer. So, choose the correct answer. You have taken your book, children. Those who have got the books, choose the correct answer. In this, the basic unit of the society. The basic unit of the society is, I think this we have already written, family. Dash is one of our basic needs. Shelter. So, shelter is one of our basic needs. Shelter is one of our basic needs. Father, mother, children living together. Father, mother, children living together. Is called small family. Okay. Next one. Dash is the best cultural value of Tamilians. Hospitality. This and all we have already finished this. Hospitality is the best cultural value. Best cultural value of Tamilians. Okay. The next one is running the family by preparing the budget is the best way. Running the family by preparing budget. So this is as a choose they are given is the best way. Okay. Then now the next one is match the following. Match is, I'll write the straight answer. First one, character. This is the straight answer, children. Then sharing work. And third one, maternal relation. That is maternal relation is uncle. And then fourth one, outsiders. Small I have written. And fifth one is neighbors. So character is respect, then sharing work, improving relationship. This is the straight answer I am giving, children. Improving relationship. I think this I have already written. So once again you can go through this. Maternal relation is uncle and outsiders is vegetable vendors. And last one is neighbors. Neighbors should live in unity. Should live in unity. Okay. Now the next is true or false. A family fulfills our basic needs. That is, first one is true. And the second one is our neighbors or our relatives. False. Then our economy improves when expenditure exceeds income. False. We must keep our things in the respective places. True. And simplicity is the best policy of every family. That is true. Now the answer the following. Name the types of families. Next one is the same lesson only. In the same lesson, we are going to write the name the types of families. Answer the following. Name the types of families. What are the types of families? Answer is small family, large family, joint family. Then second one, what do you mean by joint family? What do you mean by joint family? So easy only I gave. What do you mean by joint family? That is the two or more generations. The two or three generations. Three generations living together is called a joint family. Okay. Now the next one is, so this is match the following and fill up everything. You can learn, children. You will be having the timetable will be given for you, third standard. So go through this, what all we have learned. What are the values that we learn from our neighbors? What are the values that we learn from our neighbors? What are the values we can learn from our neighbors? Answer is love and affection. Then respect. Then protection and sharing. Cordial relationship. Cordial relationship and good to keep the cordial relationship. Then help each other. Then fourth one, Fourth question is, who are our neighbors? Who are our neighbors? Who are our neighbors is, answer is, families live near our home. Near our home are called neighbors. Then fifth one, write a note on budget. So these 4 questions children you can learn. Okay, and in second lesson, that is the second lesson is our friends. So this also we have finished the filling the blanks on the true or false. Now, next lesson we move on to the next lesson question answer. Choose the correct answer. Next one is choose the correct answer. So already you are having a book. So first it is dash is a life-saving treatment. So first aid is the life-saving treatment. Second one, first aid is the life-saving treatment. And second one is nurse assist the doctor. Third one, dash is giving justice to people. Judge is giving justice to the people. Fourth one, dash enlightens with knowledge. Teacher enlightens with knowledge. Then road workers lay roads. Road workers lay roads. Okay, so this is the fill the blanks and true or false. A tailor stitches cloth. Tailor stitches cloth. You can write true. Tailor stitches cloth is true. Electrician fits pipes and tubes. False. Electrician fits only the wires. Traffic policeman controls traffic. That is true. And doctor protect people and the properties. False. And the Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution. That is true. And next one is answer the following. Answer the following. Name the people who serves us. First one. Name the people who serves us. So many people are serving for us. Name the people. Name some people who serves us. So you can write answer is doctor, nurse, vegetable vendor, policeman, firefighters, like that. So this is enough for you. Who else is? Then who are firefighters? Who are firefighters? Who are firefighters? Answer is firefighters are well trained to carry out the duties during the fire accident. Okay. And third one. Fire accidents. Then what does a civil engineer do? What does a civil engineer do? He builds houses, colleges, temples. Buildings are constructed using a plan made by a civil engineer. This is enough. Okay, civil engineer. Buildings are constructed using a plan made by civil engineer. So revise this lessons, children. These are the 2 lessons for your quarterly exam. So you can learn what all I gave in this. Okay, we'll see in the exam. Thank you.